Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 7, Lesson 4. Today we're going to be talking about our problem-solving investigation strategy called Look for a Pattern. So oftentimes when we get to a very tricky problem, the only thing we have to do is look for a pattern, right? With numbers, there are all of these different kinds of patterns, and if we just kind of keep that lens in front of us, like, hey, I just need to look for what is the pattern, then I can figure out the problem much easier. So let's look at our strategy, look for a pattern. All right, let's look at our first example here. Daniel is training for a walkathon. Wow, we're training for walkathons. In the first week, he walked a total of 5 miles. The second week, 7 miles. In the third week, he walked 9 miles. Based on his pattern, how many miles will he walk in the fourth week? Okay, so whenever we read a word problem, these are great steps to follow. It says first, what facts do you know? What facts do I see in this that I might need to use? Well, he walked 5 miles in the first week, 7 miles in the second week, and 9 miles in the third week. Second is, what is the final question I need to answer? The number of miles Daniel will walk in the fourth week. Okay, my plan is I'm going to look for a pattern to solve the problem. My sequence is 5, 7, 9. So I notice it is a growing pattern, so I know I'm going to either have to use multiplying or adding to figure out what the next term will be. So if I go from 5 to 7, I don't know anything. If I count by 5s, I'm not ever going to hit 7. So I think it might be adding. Add 2. Add 2. Add 2. Add 2 is my rule. So 9 plus 2 is 11 miles is how far they would walk in the fourth week. So the rule to the pattern is add 2. Based on the rule, the next term in the sequence is 11. So Daniel will walk 11 miles in the fourth week. Does my answer make sense? Explain. Yes. The pattern was add 2. The rule, let's use our vocabulary there. The rule was add 2, and we extended that rule one more time. Okay, be careful though, because sometimes it's not going to say the fourth week. Sometimes it might say the 10th week or the 7th week. And kids just think, oh, I just need to do the next one. And so they don't read carefully, and then they get the answer wrong when they could have easily solved this problem. So make sure you're reading carefully and going back and checking on that fourth week. Yep, we did do the next week. We've got week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So we're good to go. Next one, Taryn made 15 hair ribbons on Monday. I'm going to underline that. 15 hair ribbons on Monday. 21 on Tuesday. 27 on Wednesday. Based on her pattern, how many ribbons will she make on Thursday? Okay, so I'm going to just do quick. Monday, 15. Tuesday, 21. Wednesday, 27. And then what do we need to find? Thursday is question mark. Okay, so our plan is, I think we should make a table. That's how I'm going to solve this one. I'm going to put the information into a table and try to extend my pattern by the next term. So here we go. I'm going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so we know Monday was 15, Tuesday was 21, Wednesday was 27. So I see the pattern is growing. So I'm going to look at it's either an adding or a multiplying rule. So I have to think to myself, can I count by 15s and get to 21? 15, 30. Nope, I hop right over it. So it must be an adding rule. Let's find the difference, which means let's subtract 21 minus 15 to see what is the difference between the two terms. 11 minus 5 is 6. Oh, it's a difference of 6. Should I just assume the pattern is adding 6? No, let's see. What is 21 plus 6? Oh, look at that. 7. So she can make 6 more ribbons every day. 27. So my pattern is add 6. My rule is add 6. And so the next term in my sequence is going to be 27 plus 6, or 33. 33 ribbons. So then down here I'm going to write 33 ribbons as how many she's going to make on Thursday. Now again, be careful because they could have said how many on Sunday, how many on Saturday, how many on Friday. And then we'd have to extend our pattern a couple more times. So does your answer make sense? Yes. First, we used a table. A table to organize our data, our information. Second, I extended the sequence one more term. Okay, and we're looking, checking again. Did they say Thursday, or do I need to extend it farther? And we were good to go. All right, so I really like making tables or making sure I'm showing all my work, not just putting an answer down. All right, thanks for watching, and we will see you later.